Today something strange happened. We had a new earthquake swarm under the Svartsengi volcanic system, exactly on the spot on the Svartsengi volcanic area, where the Blue Lagoon and the Svartsengi are located. I've marked them on the map. This is the Reykjanes Peninsula, and this is the location of this cluster of the earthquakes. We can see this on the Tremors chart as a rise of the magma line. That's the purple line. You can see that magma line rising. That was around 6 to 8 a.m. And you can see it again on the earthquake chart, again visible. If you plot them on the map, that is where they are located. And when we look at the earthquake depth chart, this is where they are. This is the central point, the narrow one you can see. This is falling under the Svartsengi near the Grindavik. And I'm rotating it. You can see that the depth of it is rising from 4 or 5 to around 3 kilometers. There are magnitude 1 earthquakes, not very big, unlike the previous ones in the Kristofik volcanic system, which is now you can see that the center, the bigger circles, those ones. The one related to the what I'm discussing now is now at the lower part of the image. That was at that depth, and I'll mark it again. I'll show you that this is where the land uplift due to the magma accumulation of the Svartsengi volcanic system happened. These are the University of Iceland GPS stations. It shows a rise, now flattening of the chart, where it shows actually the land was rising due to magma accumulation. When it goes flat, it means the magma is also going out of that system. That was the Svartsengi, and this is the Elfdorp. You can see again, the GPS station shows the same trend, coming up the magma, then going out. That means the bladder or that area is filled, then the magma moves from that direction. University of Iceland data shows this to me. The Meteorological Office of Iceland believes that's not the case. This is a difference in opinion. I'm thinking that this is the case, and I will show you actually. I showed you the charts all showing that this is the deeper source at the 12-kilometer, charging this Svartsengi magma storage at the depth of 4 or 5 kilometers. This is the one which caused this today's activity. These are the chain of craters that I have named, and K1 is the biggest one. I have named it as K1. It has survived. It is the only erupting one. I have speeded up this video, but that is not the purpose of it. I'm showing the waves in the cauldron. You can see the waves. One is coming any moment. This is the one. Yes, we saw one wave. This means the magma is now filling up to the brim almost this cauldron, this crater. Another wave coming any moment. This is the another one coming. And that means the magma has arrived in that area. And we probably will have something like what happened before, a lava overflow, and eventually cracking and shattering of one of the walls, which may lead to the emptying of the crater or the cauldron where the lava is boiling into in the last stage of eruption. When we see both the lava and the smoke rising from the volcano, today we saw an increase in the amount of the smoke rising from the K1 crater. That shows another proof for what I have described here.